Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Samsung Galaxy A13. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Samsung will unveil its new Galaxy A13 soon to the market. Samsung is working its budget smartphone in its A series segment. The coming device of the company will be an affordable 4G phone in the market. The upcoming handset has a model number SMA136B, and it will be called Samsung Galaxy A13. The smartphone got a chipset of Exynos 850, which is the most powerful chipset that will give more power to the device. Octa-core processor is inside Samsung's Galaxy A13 to make the device ultra-fast. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.6 inches, and it will provide the user with TFT the resolution of 1080x2408 pixels. The new Samsung Galaxy A13 has an IPS capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and is well known for its outstanding results. The smartphone has got 4GB of RAM capacity in Galaxy A13 by Samsung that is usually used in the mid-range smartphones of most companies. But the manufacturer of the company introduces it in the handset to capture the attention of the users. The internal storage capacity of the Samsung A13 will be 64GB. This is a huge amount of storage capacity that will provide the user of this device to store a huge amount of data for future use. The smartphone is going to pack the Samsung Galaxy's A13 with a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 50 megapixels main camera, 5 megapixels ultra-wide, 2 MP depth sensor, and 2 MP macro sensor. The upcoming device of the company also has an 8 megapixel selfie camera for capturing photos and movies of your loving ones. There is a side-mounted fingerprint reader in the Samsung Galaxy A13 to protect it from any unauthorized person. The battery of the Galaxy A13s will be somewhere around 5000 mAh. This is enough power for this smartphone and also has a fast battery charging technology of 15 watt. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.